Kiefer here from the Trailer Parts Outlet. Today we're taking a look at our 2-inch angle iron steel loading ramps with a 5,000 pound capacity. These light duty ramps are the easiest option for loading your smaller utility vehicles, such as lawnmowers, ATVs, UTVs, or light tractors. Our 5K ramps are manufactured with a heavy duty flat plate to better ensure an easy start to your loading process. These 5,000 pound capacity ramps are 48 inches in length, 14 inches wide, and 2 inches in height. Each individual ramp weighs 30 pounds. Taking a closer look at these, you can see the angle iron uprights, which are constructed out of 2-inch angle iron. The steel has a thickness of 3/16 of an inch. And along the sides, the runners are 2-inch by 2-inch angle iron as well. All of our ramps are made from US sourced steel, manufactured in the heart of Texas in our manufacturing facility, which means availability is never a question and quality is amazing. All of our ramps come unpainted, which means that some minor surface rust will need to be cleaned up and treated upon delivery to you. We suggest after cleaning the ramps up, hitting it with your choice of rust protecting paint. For more product information and availability, give us a call at the Trailer Parts Outlet. One of our trailer parts experts would be more than happy to help you out with any questions you may have.